Did you know that you can take single illustrations like this in Procreate and make a book? That's what I did to create this book, Even Yetis Gets Cold. So buckle up and I'll show you the step-by-step approach. So first of all, you're going to want to go into your settings, which is with the little wrench, and then under Canvas, you're going to press this button which says Page Assist. With Page Assist selected, it will take all of your layers and make them into a little book automatically like this. You can flip through this and you can export this as a PDF. Now here's some things that you might want to know if you use Page Assist. First of all, if something is in a group, like this one right here, it will take everything in that group and make it as a single page. If I have a single image, it will create a new page, just like this. These are all single images. So if I wanted to take this illustration and maybe make an edit, I'll just create a group. And now my new things on this new layer, which I can easily turn on and off, stay together on that single page. When you go to export this, you're going to press the little wrench. You're going to press that little wrench. You're going to press share, and you're going to choose to share the layers as a PDF. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. I'll save it to my files. I'll save it as test. Here we are. And now you can see I have a PDF of my book all set and ready to go. Now, if you're making a book from scratch, here's how you would do it. You're going to go into your Procreate and you're going to press that plus sign to make a new canvas. And you're going to choose the size of your book. So you can do that if one of these is correct for you, or you can press this button in the top right hand corner and make a custom size. So let's say my book is 8 by, let's change that to inches. Let's say my book is 8 by 10. Now an 8 by 10 book would be a single spread like this. So if I wanted it to show you where it's 2 pages together, I'll have to double the width. So that'd be 16 by 10. And then if I wanted to add a little extra room for printing, I can add maybe a little 0.25 to that, and that'll give me a 10 by 16. And then DPI should always stay at 300. The maximum amount of layers that Procreate's going to let you have is 31. I don't think I can actually change that. And then our next one's going to be our color profile. Generally, you want to work with CMYK, and that should be our settings. So go ahead and check that. And now we have a full page spread here. From that, we can go and just do what we did before, which is go into our settings and choose Page Assist. And now we are making our book. So what I would do, since Procreate limits your layers, is I would make the illustration in another page. I'll export it, same way we did before, share, but just share the image as a PNG. And save that down. And then go back to our book and import it in here. So add, insert a photo, and plop that buddy in there. And then since this is the cover, it's actually not going to be in the middle here. It'll just go over to the side. And then do the same thing with the next image. All right, and my final tip is if you wanted to have something in your illustration, in your page on the background that sort of shows your printer marks. For example, this is where the spine will be, and this will be where the cut lines are going to be. What you can do is have this as a layer, and then click it and choose background. So that one, I'll make it show up on every page so that you can work with it while you're laying out your illustration, and take this illustration and fade it back if I wanted to quickly check my lines. So for example, I would see that maybe this text is too far down and I could edit it from there. And that's how I would go about making a book in Procreate. If you need more help, my picture book mentorship runs for 14 more days and ends on December 15th. So check that out in the link below.